Hi there, Laura here. Today I'm doing my Pan That Palette Partner, and I got this idea from Kyra at Journey and Beauty and Angela and Beauty. And so I'll link their channels below so you can go and check out what they do. And this time I chose my Main Squeeze palette. So I've done 9 looks with this palette on its own. And now I've been using it with my Pan That palette to see what I can come up with. So I've got a couple of actual videos of me putting it on, and then I've got a few photos of other looks because I didn't take them all this time. So let's go and have a look at how I combined my Pan That palette and the Main Squeeze palette. So today I'm going to use some browns out of my palette because I don't use the browns very often. So I'm going to start off with this colour up here. I'm going to put that on a fluffy type of brush. I'm going to go into this brown here. Deepen up the crease. I'm going to go into this brown here for the outer corner. Then I'm going to go into my Main Squeeze palette and get Juicy Fruit here in the middle, kind of goldy red colour. And then I'm going to go in with the gold here, and I think I need a smaller brush. And I'm going to go into the cream here. On the inner corner. And on the brow bone. So I'm using my gold pencil by Designer Brands and putting that under my eye. I'm going to go into the gold to start with. And then I'm going to go into Juicy Fruit from the Main Squeeze palette. And then I'm going to get some of that brown that I used. Just that outer corner there. I'm going to go into Like It's Hot, and I'm just going to put some a little bit of that underneath my eye here, just to bring out some of the red and the Juicy Fruit colour. That's the idea anyway. We'll see how it works. I think I'll go into Seed Money here and use so many different brushes. No, not that one. That's the one I want. This one. I'm going to use this brush here. And I just want to, oops, not put it way up there, no. I just want to put a little bit of it in here to help bring out that red in the Juicy Fruit colour. Just in the top of my crease there. Just warm up that brown a little bit. Yeah, I like that. Okay, so I'm going to go in tight line, put my rest of my face on and come back. So I'm just going to go into my Main Squeeze palette and get Seed Money on a sort of soft brush. This is the Wet n Wild one. It's a blush brush, but I don't normally use it for blush unless I just want a very little bit. So I don't want to get a bit too much on my brush, so I'm just wiping it off. And I just want to tie in my blush with my eyes, so that's why I'm using that colour. And then buff that out with a bigger brush. And there is my final look. So on my lips I'm just using my, what's it called? Be My Baby Rimmel Stay Matte. And then I went over it with the Midas Touch Chi Chi lipstick. It's a gold. Okay, today I am playing with my Main Squeeze palette from Colourpop and my Beauty 101 palette that I'm panning. And I think I'm going to start off with my Main Squeeze palette. So I have done my eyebrows and I've primed my lids, and I'm going to go into Big Gulp here. It's an orange colour with a fluffy brush. Then I'm going to go into a different brush and go into red bottoms here, this dark kind of burgundy colour. I don't want too much, so I'm going to wipe off my brush. Quite a dense brush, so I think I want something a bit fluffier for blending it out. Then we're going to go in with a flat brush, and we go in with this green here. So I'm just going into Seed Money, and I'm just filling in between this, my creases and where the green is. Because I wasn't sure what I was doing before. So I will do that before I do the green on this side, now that I know what I'm doing. that's what we've got so far. So I'm going to take my Eyeshadow Jumbo pencil in, what colour is this? Summertime. And I'm going to go into this colour here. I'm going to pick that on top of the liner. I'm going to go into the lighter screen. I'm going to go into some black and I'm going to tightline. I'm going to go into some dark green and put that underneath the waterline. Just put some black in the waterline. And I'm going to go back into this darker green here. And I'm going to get a little bit of this colour that's in between those two. And I'm just going to tidy up this bit as well. Okay, so that's what we've got so far. So I'm going to put my base on and my mascara and then I'll come back. So I just put a little bit of my glitter eyeliner just on the top there, not all the way along. And I'm going to do a little bit of the cream shimmer for my brow bone highlight. And then I want my highlighter brush, and I'm going to use that same cream shimmer just to have an extra pop of highlighter on my cheeks. So I use the megaglo Wet n Wild highlighter, this one here called Golden Flower Crown, and it's quite a dark gold, so I just wanted something to lighten it up just a little bit. I'll just buff that out. And then I just need to choose a lipstick. And there is my final look. So I think with the addition of this lipstick colour, it doesn't look too red and green Christmassy, because I was trying to get away from the kind of Christmassy feel. So I don't think it looks too Christmassy, but it just, and I tried to stay with the more kind of bricky shades rather than the bright red shades. And I used my Eyeshadows Moisture Mist lipstick in Warm Earth, which looks like this. So a nice sort of autumny colours, really, even though it's winter here. So after using this Main Squeeze palette for 9 looks and using it with my Panasonic palette partner, do I still like it? Yes, I do. I think it mixes really well with this one, and as you would have seen from the looks, I've used it with the brown, I've used it with the gold, I've used it with the greens. So I've mixed and matched them around, and I still really like this palette. It all works really well and it blends in really nicely with the other colours that I've got. So now it's time to put that one away for a little while and choose another one.